This shock feels pretty good, and it's on its lowest setting here. Got the rotor mounted, and on the other side I have the sprocket mounted. I'm just setting up the foot pegs here. I come down at a 45-degree angle, and what that does is these foot pegs are designed to pivot on a 45-degree angle, so they pivot up, but when they come down they are flat. It's getting pretty close to the point where I can go ahead and start tearing it down and adding my caps and also my little triangle brackets, or if you want to call them gussets, to beef up the frame. And I ordered these shock mounts, and I think I'm actually going to end up cutting those off and welding on some bigger ones that I'm just going to make here in the garage. And one other thing, I'm not going to go with these 22-inch tires. I'm going to go with these 24-inch tires. They're going to fill out this bike a little bit better. So kind of a very important part that you want to add on these bikes if you're making them is steering stops. I get a hole saw that matches the outside diameter of this pipe here, and I cut on a piece of flat stock, and then now I have a piece that fits that contour, and I can rotate it to whatever angle that I want the max amount of steering to be, and then weld across here. As I'm going to go ahead and tear it down, do some more welding on the individual components of the frame, and add some reinforcement. Then I'll put it all back together after that. We'll give it a good test drive, and then we'll tear it down again, paint everything, then we'll reassemble it again. Here we go. I'm going to start tearing it down. I just welded on the caps on the end of the swing arm, did some finish welds on the rear brake caliper mount, and added the reinforcement right here for the swing arm, and it goes on past this joint right here in order to strengthen that joint. And then just kind of welded it in different areas on the inside. Put a beefier shock mount on there. I just went ahead and made one, and then capped off the other ends here. So I'm just getting finished up. I got the first two kind of gussets in to strengthen the area where the swing arm attaches to this part of the frame. I'm going to go ahead and weld in these bottom two. So here we go, first ride on the new Groundhog. Safety first. Beautiful day, 67. There's always that one guy that you're like, why am I even friends with him?